I'm John from Fence Profits, and I want to talk about some math. I know that's not a popular subject, but I'm going to make it really easy. Our goal, our mission, is to help 100 fence installation companies reach $1 million a year in sales. So, how do we do that? Well, everyone tells us on average a fence project is about $5,000. Some more, some less, but they come in at about 5K. If you wanted to make $1 million, you need to do 200 fences at 5K each. So 200 fences over 50 weeks is 4 fences a week. So then the question is, how many fence estimates do you need to do to sell 4 fence installations a week? Typically, our fence profit growth system sees about a 40% um, close rate. After a couple of months, it's typical to even see that increase up to 50%. The reason is you're not competing like Angie's. Um, I mean, ask yourself too, what's your close rate in general? When someone calls you that's a referral from a past customer or someone who's worked with you before and they want a fence, how, how many of those estimates do you actually close? So 50% is just a nice round number. Um, and part of what we do um, is help you kind of get there, right? And um, it requires you to follow up. And uh, you know, a good rule of thumb is 3 phone calls. Call that day, call the next day, call the day after. Follow up that phone call with a text message, and then if you haven't heard from them in a week, call them again the following week, and give them another text message. Now you've hit them what 7, 8 times, and in 2 weeks, message them again. Um, Sometimes a fence project is not a high priority for somebody. They've got other things going on in life, and they just don't get around to it. They might even hear your message and mean to call you back, but life happens. So following up, being polite, understanding that they're busy just like you're busy, um, really gets that conversion rate higher. And it's important to think of those estimate requests, especially when we send them, because they're raising their hand, right? They're coming to us saying, "Hey, we want a fence. How much is it going to cost?" Um, that's a qualified lead, and um, they just need, it might take a month or two, but having a process where you go back through, um, a month later, call up and saying, "Hey, just curious if you are so interested in a fence, did you ever get one installed?" You know, if they want you to stop bothering them, they'll tell you, "Yeah, I got a fence installed," and then you can cross them off your list. But until that happens, you should keep following up. Um, we went through and we called um, on one of our top partners. We called 100 of their estimate requests, and he had told us that he closed 40% of them, which is great. You do the math on that: 40% of 100 estimates um, at 5K piece is $200,000. But what we found was there was a percent there, that extra. I'm not going to say it was 10%. I think it was closer to 5, that still want an estimate. So that following up is one of the things that will get you there. But think about that too. Over the course of a year, if you can follow up and increase your close rate from 40% to 50%, that's all there is to do that, is just be consistent and have a process in place where maybe you put on your schedule every Monday. Let me just message these 20 prospects that we haven't done estimates for yet, just to see if we can come in and do one. And that gets you from that 40 to 50%. That's real money when you look at it over a 12-month period.